Alright, so I think today we're going to head out of there and take a ride up along the coast, go check out Bog Brewing. So we're going to jump on the Springer and get on the Sporty and going to head up on there. So sit back and we'll be at Bog just a minute. See ya. And boom, through the magic of the computer, we're up at Bog on West King Street, which is right off of US 1. This is not our first rodeo, not our first time there. We've been there several times before. Plenty of parking on the back side. They have a little spot outside where we could eat. They have a taco truck that's out there. Not sure which days they're open. It was not open on, I know, on Monday, but I believe it's posted on their website which days it is. But pretty good. We've ate there before, so we can walk in through the back there. You could walk in through the front door or come in through the back side. We're gonna go in through the back and give you a little roundabout and see what the brewery looks like inside. So enjoy. So it seems that they're always brewing up different beers. We decided to get a flight this time and check out some of the ones we might not have had before. They had a black lager, the smoked daddle we got there, the Sun Rips, it was an IPA, a pumpkin ale, and then a Fiest beer, which was their Oktoberfest. I tried to go in the order that you see them right there in front of you. All really good, solid beers. So we decided we'd drink those first before we decided to go and have something a little further. But the I think the black lager is pretty much on there all the time. The daddle pepper's on there most of the time as well. But those other three, and the Sun IPA may be on there most of it. Well, so decided to go back. We got a black lager, and then that tall one there is a cream ale. They always make a cream ale. I'm a cream ale fan. Grew up on Genesee as a kid, so I really like that. Always get those. So, anyways, if you get up this way, you decide to take a ride up there, by all means check it out. Really cool little spot. Great beer. I think you'll enjoy it. And as always, if you like that, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, have any comments, leave them below. Thanks so much, and we'll see you out on the road.